Hey guys, Tony here, and in this short video, I am just asking you guys if you have any tutorial suggestions or any ideas for any creations you might want me to build, like a supersonic helicopter or something like that. So if you do, go leave some suggestions down in the comments, and I'll get to that whenever I can. So I will see you guys in the next video where I will be building your suggestions, or maybe the tutorial that you might suggest. So this has been Tony for today's short video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.